In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the WinRAR language the right way. If you've been searching inside WinRAR for a language switch, you've probably noticed there isn't one. WinRAR ties its interface language to the installer you use, so there's no toggle or in-app setting to change it after the fact. The correct approach is to reinstall WinRAR using the build that's already localized in your preferred language. The good news is that this is quick, safe, and won't affect your existing files or archives. Start by removing your current WinRAR installation so you can install the right language version cleanly. Close WinRAR if it's open. On Windows, open Settings, go to Apps, find WinRAR in the list, and select Uninstall. This only removes the application itself. Your documents and compressed files remain untouched. If you're using a licensed copy, keep your license information available so you can reapply it afterward if needed. Next, go to the official WinRAR download page. In the Download WinRAR section, scroll down to view the list of available languages. You'll see many localized installers. Choose the one that matches your preferred language and make sure to pick the correct edition for your system, such as 64-bit. Always download from the official site to avoid outdated or modified installers, and take a moment to confirm you're getting the latest version. Run the installer you just downloaded and follow the on-screen prompts. The default settings are fine for most users. When you reach the file association screen, leaving the common archive type selected ensures WinRAR opens formats like RAR and zip by default. Allow the setup to add context menu entries if you like right-click access in File Explorer. Complete the installation, and if File Explorer still shows old language entries, a quick sign out and back in or a restart can refresh the menus. Open WinRAR after installation, and you should now see the interface in your chosen language. If you don't, it usually means the English installer was installed by mistake or the wrong language build was selected. In that case, uninstall and reinstall using the correct language version. You can also check Help and About to confirm the version and language you're running. And that's it. Because WinRAR doesn't support switching languages inside the app, the proper solution is to uninstall your current copy, download the installer for your desired language from the official site, and reinstall. Once done, you're ready to manage your archives in the language that's most comfortable for you.